What's up, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a beautiful 2016 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 Custom. It's got the charcoal pearl paint. It's in great condition. I didn't see any cosmetic issues, any scratches, paint chips. Low mileage bike. It's got a 1200cc fuel injected V-twin, the 5-speed transmission. Got forward controls. You also got some upgraded Reinhardt staggered pipes. I guess there is a little bit of scuff right there on the end cap. You want to get nitpicky. It's got the 2-up seat, passenger pegs. Good tire on the front and rear, plenty of tread. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and give it a professional detail. All the chrome is nice and shiny. Just a really good looking bike. Good tire on the front. Got the nice 5-spoke alloy wheels. It's got 2,274 miles. Bike runs great. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.